Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. DBK Kamesh, Professor and HOD, Department of CSIT, MLR Institute of Technologies. So, previous we have discussed so far CSS, what is CSS and types of CSS. We have earlier session we have discussed. Now we have, in addition, then box model we will discuss in this session. So then now CSS box model. So what is box model? So the components that can be depicted on the web page that consists of one or more rectangular box, right? So then this kind of rectangular box we have used in this. That is, a CSS box model is a component that include numerous assets such as like edge, borders, padding and material. So if you want to create any such kind of a web page, we required such models. The borders required, the padding space is required, the material we need to incorporate into this, so edges or etc. These are the boundaries. So entire your screen how you can utilize in a particular web page, and then that too audience means look and feel, that is also we will focusing in this. That's what we have given some measures. So that is we have apply into CSS box model. It is used to develop the design and structure of web page. This is more important in this, to develop a design and structure of a particular web page. In CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. Purely particularly we are talking about, so design purpose and layout only we have consideration in the box model. So that we have apply into this one. Then what is the example? See, this is the content area. See, for example, these are we have discussed, right? So far this is the borders, right? So in this edges, so we have given some kind of a margin. Every paper or every design, so we required some left, right, bottom, top margins we required. So based on that, because the look and feel, so that we have top margin, this is border top, this is padding top, this is the width of your web page, this is the height of your web page. So in this, padding top is there and the padding bottom is there. So we have adjusted. So in the A4 size, for example, in the printing area, then the top we have, so we can set your college logo, then followed by your presentations, etc. The similar manner we have to retain looks like this in the borders, margins, and then this is the padding point, left padding, right padding, so top, bottom, etc. Margins we can set any particular web page, so that we have. So how to write this kind of models into this, that is what we need to discuss in this session. Then, so this is the box related properties and box related property example. So for example, so first you need to write a border, so margins, then padding, then content. Then see here how to write this in the related example. You need to write a division selector. So inside, once you can selector, we can use the curly braces starts and curly braces end. In between, you need to write what kind of property and what kind of value. So here, this is the width is one kind of a property. How much? 300 pixels width we required. Then borders. Border we need to 15 pixels solid green. Then padding. So in the cell padding we have need, that is 50 pixel cell padding, margins 20 pixels margin. So in this, so we need to set, this is a particular example, so border we can set, margins we can set, padding we can set, the content also we need to incorporate it. This is a model of a box model example. Then see, right now just we can see how to write a program. So document type HTML we need, so head section. In the head section, we need to incorporate a style like internal. So in this internal division, so the background color is light gray. Then width 300 pixels. Then followed by border with 15 pixels solid green. Then padding space 50 pixels padding space. Then margin space. Then 20 pixels margin. Then so we need to division block completed. So here division selector. then followed by style is completed inside. So you need to write inside the style. So this is a style property. Then followed by head, completed your head. Now body, inside the body you need to demonstrate the box model. H2 means H2 is header section 2. So then now see the color we have given, background light gray, then followed by paragraph. The paragraph is CSS model is essentially a box wrapped around HTML. This is called the content. So then the division. So we have given this kind of mark here. So in the division, this is the content, the box. So we have added 50 pixels padding, 20 pixels of margin, and 15 pixels of the green border. So at any and minimum of VN, the means quiz noted. This is the we have given some kind of a data, right? Then HTML closed. See now width and height of an element. So next one, this is the previous one is that one. So now again we have select with width and height and width of an element. Now same we can apply the HTML head section in the style. In the inside the style division, so width 320 pixels. So then the padding space 10 pixels. So then border 5 pixels, solid gray. So margins 0. Then so your division selector is completed, style completed. Now head. So then we have written like so. Then here what we need to incorporate in this, only width and height of an element. So width we have given in this. See, this is you can give that so as image src equals to users by etc etc. So then you can give whatever the picture we can show in this, that will be showing as an output into this. That is one for width and height. Next, link related property. So we have given link. Links can be styled with any CSS property like a font, color or background etc. Link, visited, active and hover. Right, these are the link related properties. Then see example, like this is called an example of using these kind of link related properties. That is unvisited link. Then a link is a selector. So inside color red, right? A link is completed. Now visited link. So that is unvisited link. This is visited link. So a visited, then color green. Then this is completed. Then mouse over link, that is what hover. Then HA hover, right? Then inside the color, so hot pink. Then selected link, now selected. So A active. See here we are use the link. First one is link, so that is called unvisited. Second way is visited, that is called visited. Then next one is hover. Then is last one is active. So these all are we are incorporated. So this is called as the link properties, right? This is a style completed, head completed. Then we need to write the body part. So inside the body, like then once you can apply any web page, then automatically which comes like the whatever we have. So here table related properties. Previous one is link related. Now table related properties. One is border. Another one is style, size, alignment and responsive. So here we are used in that look of an HTML table can be greatly improved with CSS. Looks like so. Then these are the examples of a box model. Then how to write in this looks like. So this is called, so all the properties we need to incorporate it in this, in the style table followed by th and td, table data, table header. So once you can use any kind of a table. So this is the table. In this table header, this is the header part. So then how many columns, how many rows, table header and table data. So in this is called table data. So what you need to, for example, serial number. So the name next, so address etc. So this is called as table data. Then so we need to apply all borders, right? Then followed by style, head completed. Then body, inside the body h2 etc etc. Table starts tr, th, td, TD is Peter and Griff. First one is TH, table header first name, so the last name, there are only two names, first name and last name, right? So inside the first name, so Peter, then Griffin, this is the second. Then TR closed, again TD, so Louis, then Griffin. Table completed. In this only 2 rows, 2 columns, right? Body like this. Next, you can use table alignments, horizontal alignment or vertical alignment, etc. So then, so horizontal alignment, text align. So here, this is called text align property to set the horizontal alignment in the particular table, that is called TH and TD. So right, TH is element or center aligned and this content to TD elements are left aligned. So you can give in this, either we can use any kind of a TD or etc. So we can use the center alignment. So someone you can use in the left side, so someone you can use in the right side, etc. So we need to use in the CSS alignment section. Like looks like this is called an example using in the document type, etc. The table border table selectors, table comma TD comma TH, these three are the selectors. In this border is 1 pixel solid black. So table border, again border in this, so where border collapse, collapse, then width 100%, then the TD, so text align center. Then see, we have given here the table, first one table we have TD now had completed, right? In TH we have not given anything, then okay, then solid black only we have taken, right? This is the example of a particular table alignments. Previously what we have given, that automatically comes in the table, particular table. So these are the styles we have. So in the background, previous we have given some colors, but codes also we have. So hash followed by some 6 letters, like a combination of characters and numericals. Then the color white. Then see table size. So in this, width is equal to 100%, height is equal to 70 pixels. Like these are the, so we have given in a particular box model. So that is borders we can set, or margins we can set, so height we can set, width we can set, so colors we can set, all the verticals we have needed, whatever the style sheets in the particular web page, so that we need to incorporate it like this. So this is very important of a tables. Then responsive tables. So in the responsive table will be displayed on the horizontal scroll bar, like so for if the example like this is a horizontal, the scroll bar we can use looks like so. Then so we need to scroll like this. So that is what, so in a division style, overflow, X auto, then a table, the content, etc. So we need to interpret like looks like this. This is the responsive table. Then so as a whole we learned so far, so what is the CSS box model, so how you can link up of related properties and table related properties we have discussed in this session. So this is the very important of CSS. So then introduction of CSS, types of CSS, box models, link related or table related as a whole, which is very important topic. So thank you so much.